2020, August 21st, 9:04 a.m. The concept would be to apply a the ring of a megalith and the stones, and the stones are people. The stones being people, comma, being. If you visualize the following information, visualize a tube. A tube or a mine shaft, a straw, an indentation, not all that dissimilar from the bowl of both the Colosseum and the Forum, which, interesting enough, from the end of the Velia Hill past the Temple of Caesar, and from the end of the Velia Hill to the end of the Arch of Claudius, those bowls are in basically the same position, the same equal distance from the Velia Hill. Interesting, period. The information regarding the Earth has a magnetosphere, and that magnetosphere cuts into and impacts Narmer, Caesar, to a Caesarean section type assault, a injection, a tab A into slot B. The entrance would be slot B. Okay, that ring, orbital east, as in where the Earth and in the Earth's magnetosphere will be going into the solar wind as it comes off the sun. That ring would be the symbolic representation of the good, and the stones around the crown, the megalith around the orbital east would be saints trying to help out what's going on. The other direction, there's a lot of astrophysics and thermodynamics and electromagnetic sciences and such, and quantum equations and such going on within that functionality and structure. You have the same thing, equal and opposite, orbital west, but on orbital west, that's memories and the past and the recording of the Earth's magnetosphere and the solar wind mixing into a single unit, creating a record, creating a base, electromagnetic base, and a groove in the middle of that, in that base, and that in that groove is the recording of what was going on per whatever sequence of time in that groove. Think of it very much like a record, a black record. You have a black record that is the base. That would be the solar wind. The actions of the planet, the magnetosphere, the things that live inside the Earth's magnetosphere, are the information that is imprinted inside of the groove on that black record. Period. Orbital west tends to be difficulties and issues and problems and such. So you have a ring, orbital west, same equal and opposite megalith like Stonehenge, but instead of the rocks being good people trying to help, it would be the opposite. It would be bad people trying to hurt. So equation-wise, orbital east would be the rocks would be symbolic representations of saints, and orbital west would be rocks symbolic representations of the worst in mankind, and the worst of mankind. Period.